Hey up, Chang. Subscribe, like, share, send it everywhere. Keep it nice and easy.
Hey up, Changs. Just bought the Milwaukee 18 volt M18 Multi-tool. Only bought the bare unit because I've already got batteries. So let's see what's in the box. The batteries are 5 amp hour. First thing is yes, instruction manual, and make sure you do use the guarantee. Right, we've got the bare unit. It's pretty weighty actually. So there's this on and off button and the speed settings. Let's shove a battery in it. Have a listen. That's on the lows. Right. Turn that off. Got that's your release button. It's also got a LED light on it. Sanding pad. Some small wood bit. SC. They just it's just your clamping nut. Shove that on. Put it inside, and then you got two different attachments. That one you'll use for your wood cutting. That one is the one you want for your sander. Screw it down, and then you'll feel it just pinch up, and that should be ready to go for that. You got different sanding pads, different grits. So we've got 80, 60, 120, another 120, and a 240 fine. The lowest setting, number 2. It's on a bit of filler on MDF. Right, that was only filler on some MDF. That came off dead easy on the lowest setting. Tell you what we'll do another piece and we'll bring it on the highest setting now. That is absolutely perfect, really quick, brilliant, what a tool.
Thanks for watching, Changs. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down, slate it, do whatever you want. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, notify yourself of it every time. See you in the next one. Changy.